This and welcome to Bad Piggies again. Now today, I just bought this. We are going to be making a ship. Not any kind of ship though. A floating ship. So now you get to watch me as I struggle to make things. But I already have a plan. Here's my plan again. So, 1 second. Okay, I'm getting comfortable because I might be here for a while. Might as well get comfortable if you're gonna be. You're gonna be somewhere for a while. My pillows are falling off my bed. My calendar's incorrect. This should be uploaded on the 29th. If it is, happy 29th. Anyways, I have a plan. So, since I have these things, I have a plan after I make the ship to make like a escape pod. But how is this ship gonna function? I'm probably going to use those spinny thingies. Let's just call them. So I'm gonna design the escape pod first. So it's gonna be like a little thing with, let's say, the pig will be in there. It'll be a little umbrella. Well, that's gonna be moved right here for now. It's gonna be connected to one of, where is it? Why is it? I know the pig's gonna be living right there. And the big ship is going to carry the King Piggy. And it's also gonna be able to drop weapons. So, we're gonna make first of all, we're gonna make the outline of the ship. I hope you guys are already having a lot of fun. And we're gonna remove two. Wait. We're gonna add 3. And we're gonna move 2 to put this guy in. And right here is going to be one of the thingies. Also right here. And then there'll be a few more. Like right here you can drop weapons in boxes. Like this is gonna be one thing. Actually, yeah, I like that. I was thinking about otherwise. King Pig's going to live right here. Right here. And then it's gonna have first of all, 2 propellers. Oh, 3. Then it's gonna, I'm being silent because I don't know what to say. No, it's not that spring. I was thinking about it though. It's gonna have a few, whatchamacallits. It's gonna have two of these, if you want to, move. It's gonna have two springs. But I think we should move these things out a bit. So we can add, oh no. Well then, back to the drawing board. Have that there. Maybe we should just have a thing right here. No, or down here. What can drop 4 pins. This thing will also be here. Now where's the attachable thingy? This one's gonna be connected to a rope. I have decided. Please don't explode. Okay, great. So, we're gonna go flip this. Oh yeah, I forgot to add engines. Well then, no damage little engine or two can do. Doop 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 doop. Great. What the heck happened there? Too much weight. Well then, we don't need any of that, now do we? In fact, I just came up with a brilliant idea. Where's those attachable thingies? Okay, great. Oh, yeah, I'm also adding this just for the sake of it. You can launch plungers. In case it wants anything. Wait, again, what happened? This thing, again. It's being difficult. I feel so tired. I probably shouldn't be recording this. But I am anyways, because I want to. Well, I don't think we should have these, because they're going to be replaced with one of these. Because there's going to be dynamite. Where is it? Here's the dynamite. In a box or two. And then I have a few of these. And then we're gonna have a few of these. And so, we take off, can remove them piece by piece. And I can, first of all, rid of that. And I can just travel. If I want to, I can remove. Boom, boom. And they drop weapons. Places. What just happened? Oh, it was the TNT. It exploded. Wait. They're coming in for a safe. Oh no. Let's retry that. Shall we, even though we don't? Let's watch this fly. Like an ostrich. Now another thing is if that this thing starts going crazy fast, we can deploy the missiles. We can run away. Wait, where are these gonna drop? Whilst I just fly away. While I float away, they drop. Where am I? Oh no! My thing broke. Well then, let's try an alternate scenario. Maybe we should do that first. First, and popcorn. Of course, popcorn. It is very appropriate. We're gonna drop the bombs. Then when we get up somewhere... Oh darn it, I forgot it. Well, let's try that again, shall we? Okay, let's... Okay, how do we... Oh, I forgot how to fly for a second. Let's drop a bomb, and so nobody will return. Now let's drop that one. What the heck? Deploy! That was scary. I'm still safe. See? As I fall into the atmosphere, I come in for a safe landing. See? I'm perfectly fine. Not anything with my little escape pod. That escape pod was a beautiful feature to add. What happened if we just flew away? Nothing happened. We forgot about everything. And we just dropped everything at once. We'd probably not die. I thought, because that thing would eventually go over. And we just leave this for abandoned. Oh no! Put your umbrella up! It's gonna rain. It's raining. Or is it all gonna fly somewhere else? It happened somewhere else. That's great. This thing is beautiful. I love the escape pod feature. If we drop the... Wait. No. I know a possible scenario. What if you're flying? First of all, forget all these. If you're flying, just normal, like doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. What if you're flying normally, and then one of your things explode? You gotta deploy! And everything just falls down and breaks. You just silently go back to the ground. Just safely. Safely and silently. We are alright. See? We are just perfectly fine. Our big breakfast boy is perfect. Now, I'm thinking of other scenarios. What if both things broke? Okay, so go up. Start turning. Like you usually do. Both things blow up. Deploy! Everything just deploys and just falls and breaks. I love it. Oh yeah, that thing came down too. It's basically... I made a bomber. Made a bomber plane. Now. Let's try to just normally fly around. And I will control this thing by that. And if anything goes wrong, I just deploy. What happened? What did I do? I think I accidentally blew up the thing. Without purpose. Okay then. Whoa! Wait, can I control? Deploy! That wasn't supposed to happen. That was an accident. That was a total accident. Yeah, we lost some stuff. I wasn't that TNT. I was about to say that we lost unknown things. Well, let's try that again, shall we? Okay. Oh no. Deploy. No, don't deploy. Oh no, my neck snapped. Well. Oh, what's my first thing? Oh yeah, it's that thing. Another bomber thing that didn't work out as quickly. Now, it's time for a new thingy. Let's see here. Can possibly make a... Can make a... We can make... Let me think what we can make. We can make a hover car. Why didn't I think of that before? All we need is a few thousand fans and we'll be alright. Okay, so Piggy, you're gonna be right here. There's your Eggy's going to be right here too. There's going to be floaty balloons so you can lift a float easier. And there's gonna be lots of engines, because you're a useful engine. Did you know that? Very, very useful indeed. And there's gonna be a lot of fans. Like a dozen or more. It's all gonna be powered by these giant behemoths. Or we're just gonna float in the air. What if we pop all the balloons? Whilst mists in air. Oh. Let's try that again with no more balloons. And also, things, what you can use, space is what you can use to turn. In case you want to turn. And something to still keep afloat. Maybe like balloon or two. Hope that works. So, yeah, it looks great. And you're going this way. We having so much fun. Look at that pig. Having so much fun. Funner than I did when I built Heavy Air. Which wasn't very fun. He's going. Is he going to run into any difficulties? Am I going to have to add more balloons? Are you going to get up the hill? I'm going to have to add more balloons. In the meantime, he's going to go speed downhill. Nothing says it better than more balloons. Now it's hovering more. Do we want that? Well, apparently we do. Well, let's remove a few. How about that? Does that work? That work for you? It does. It works great. Because it's still keeping afloat more, and hopefully it's enough to get up that hill. I wish it can go a little faster, though. Maybe I'll add propellers or something. My eyes hurt. Gotta go to Boise tomorrow, too. Come on, get up the hill, get up the hill. Oh. Well then, I have a better idea than fans on the sides. Propellers! My eyes hurt now. So, we're gonna do that. This time we're gonna use a propeller to propel our way. This video is already 20 minutes long, wow. And we're going fast, and we're making it up the hill, boys! We're making it up the hill! We're going down the hill at the speed of sound! Whee! If it all goes awry, we just abandon ship. But that's the more of the theme of the last one. Like, it'd probably be a good idea to slow this thingy down. We can keep watch. Wait, go the other way, quick. Big brain. This is the biggest brain invention I've made. Doop 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 doop. We having so much fun. Whee! This is gonna be labeled as another Angry Bird video. I was thinking about labeling it someone else, but I have Angry Bird fun. I'm also trying to get my thing started up again and go the other way. Well, a little fewer balloons wouldn't hurt. Or it would. We are having so much fun. Eyes. I'm tired. What about a little less? Oh, go the other way. Well, I think that could be it for today's episode. I might take a giant 3-month-long break, because I might get grounded for the entire next quarter of school because I might not get good grades. And so, what I'm saying is if that happens, see you in a while, because I'm probably not going to upload it until either after that stuff is done, either after those months are done, or maybe next week. Because honestly, I don't like uploading much because it's not fun. It's just not fun to upload. You have to do a bunch of useless editing. I don't know if I want to do YouTube as my thing. We all probably know we're never going to get famous. Don't look up to your dreams. That is the inspirational speech. My friend, people always tell him to be what he wants to be and everything. He told me the most inspirational thing that I've heard. Never looked up to your dreams. So, as a result, when he grows up, he wants to become a school teacher. It's brilliant. Don't look up to your dreams, because it's going to end up in greater failure. Anyways, I'm an existing YouTuber. See you in 3 months or a week. Farewell.